Good evening, it's Brian here at Fitzpatrick's Garage, Dublin Road, Kildare. I'm going to show you this car here, which came in today. This is an Accord Type S, but it's a K24, so it's a 2.4.
If you want any information on the car, give me a call, 08684319945. It is an old car. It's a car that we normally wholesale out, but the only thing about this one that's a little bit different than a lot of the ones that we take in, it's a 2.4, so it's a nearly 200 horsepower engine. In the K series, I think there is some people that like these engines, so this car may be of interest to somebody, but if not, we'll send it on to wholesale then.
I really like cars from this era. They were simple and straightforward, and I really like this model of Accord. It looks really nice. Look, to be straight, the car, it is a 05 car. It is not in mint condition or anything like that, but it actually drives up and down the road pretty well, and there's really nice power in that engine. Just very quickly on the outside, we're going to have a quick look at the car, and then we're going to go for a bit of a drive in the car, and we'll have a quick look on the inside as well. So if you want information on the car, give me a shout. First thing that people probably would ask in a car like this, there is some NCT left, 919, and then you got 819 in terms of road tax as well, but unfortunately road tax is about €1,000, 1,064 euros per year, so it is not cheap to tax, unfortunately. So these Type S's, from recollection, they had a nice lip along the front, headlights and fog lights and all that kind of stuff work, and down the side then they had a more anthracite colour wheel. In terms of condition on the car, I mean, at the front it's quite presentable. There is a nasty along here discoloration, all the tear coat and stuff is gone, so this A pillar along here would require paint of some sort. But I think the engine in this car is going to be the more desirable part of it anyway. But actually, to be fair, down the side it is relatively straight. Round to the rear the car, there's some scuffing on the bumper down through there. We will get to driving the car in a sec. This is just so somebody, if they do come to look at it, know what they're looking at. And down the passenger side of the car, I mean, it's generally quite straight overall, and what's nice in these 2.4s is two functioning exhausts on the rear. But to be fair, this car is all about engine, so we're going to have a drive and see exactly what it's like. There is 249,000 kilometers, 250,000 kilometers. We do have an engine light actually. I'm going to check to see what that is. The car runs absolutely fine, so I'm presuming it's like an airflow meter or something like that, which wouldn't be too expensive to sort out. But I actually must stick it on a machine in the morning when the workshop's back open again. We'll just see exactly what it is. So if you ring me, I'll let you know what that is anyway. So anyway, let's see how it drives. Yeah, these are cool. So as you're saying, this is 2.4. It's 200 horsepower. I think there is a cam change as they get higher up in the RPMs. It's just a sweet old car to drive these. So starting off, let's see what the gearbox is like. Well, and the engine at the same time. We're starting off in first gear. Second, that's fine. Into third. Into fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Into brakes. Fifth. Fourth. Third. Second. Yeah, all good. So in terms of driving the car, feels like a tie rod or something over here on the right hand side is worn, because it just, yeah, like it just, I don't know, I can't describe it, I can just feel it's a little bit vague on that side over. It's fine, it's grand, it's completely functional. I'm on a back road here at the moment, it's not causing me any problems, but maybe I'm wrong, but it just feels like maybe a bushing or maybe an anti-roll bar, something like that is just not as tight as it could be. But after that, the cabin's pretty damn silent. Is so light, it feels lovely, and the brakes actually work very good as well. So really, if I was critical so far, gearbox perfect, clutch is good, brakes are good. Definitely something suspension wise could do with an upgrade or refurb, but is completely usable. First gear. Jesus. Second gear, 100 kilometers an hour. There's definitely a cam change as you get to about 6,000. You can actually feel more power where the cam changes. So I'm not sure, I didn't think these 2.4s had an aggressive cam change, but something definitely happens. There's definitely more power. Drives good. Like, I mean, that's a bumpy old road there. It drives absolutely fine for what it is. The gear change in the car is actually really sweet. Like, genuinely, up and down through every one of them gears, it is damn nice.
Just in terms of acceleration, to give you an idea, second gear, if we floor it, just to see, around 6 or so the cam change kicks in. So like we're saying, this car is all about engine, so let's see how we get on joining the motorway. To be fair, this car is going to suit someone. You're buying a car like this for a bit of crack. 2.4, 200 horsepower, with a high cam like that on it as well. It's a bit of fun. You know, unless you're a crazy enough person that you like paying 1,100 euros or just under that for road tax per year, in which case this is a great daily driver. Because actually these are not hard on fuel, they're actually already on fuel. But it's just a bit of crack, and then either that or does someone just go take this engine and transplant it into something else. Anyway, it just seems like an honest style car. It's an Irish car from brand new. So somebody might like this engine, that's all I'm thinking. We'll have a quick look around the inside. So like we're saying, this car is all about this 2.4 i-VTEC engine. That thing is running sweet. The oil is actually quite clean in it. But in terms of how it sounds, the car is actually running sweet. So let's see what's going on the inside. Again, I haven't hoovered the car. I'm just showing you the car as it's landed with us. So in through here, all the manuals and all that kind of stuff is in through there. I wonder, is there any service record? Probably not. Although, same customers had it for a long, long time. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Wow. There's a lot of service history, actually. 9, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 25, 38, 51, 63, 75, 200. Okay, geez, it's actually got a full it's got a full service history. Wow. Do you know what? It kind of makes sense actually that it's running so kind of sweetly engine wise. A car that's regularly serviced. It kind of does make sense to me. I didn't actually think it was, but the engine does sound nice anyway. Condition's quite nice on the inside. And then up front, sports in these were basic, half leather, you know, air conditioning, cruise control, that kind of stuff. Lovely big red clocks that they came with. And after that then, usual heating controls. Actually the air conditioning still works properly. You know, stuff like this is all worn, but you know what, it actually feels lovely to use. And the kind of carbon sort of look on it. Anyway, it is what it is. Anyone that knows about these, they're pretty damn rare, these 2.4s these days. So it's a bit of fun, this car. Any information you want, give us a shout. 086 843 1945. Brian's my name. Just a trade-in we're looking to clear out. We can't give you any warranty on the car or anything like that, so it's literally just to be trailered or driven away, whichever way you want. So anyway, thanks for taking time to watch.